Have you ever felt an inexplicable inner turmoil despite external success or happiness? This unsettling phase is known as the dark night of the soul. It's a spiritual crisis, a deep-seated challenge that compels us to confront and question our fundamental beliefs and life's purpose. The dark night often arises unexpectedly, triggered by life changes, personal loss, or a quest for deeper meaning. It manifests as an emotional storm, waking us to our hidden fears. This phase is not simply about sadness. It is a profound invitation to shed layers of the unexamined self. During this dark night, individuals experience a range of emotions, from isolation to confusion and despair. These feelings are more intense than typical sadness and may even lead to questioning one's identity. However, this experience is a sign of growth, pushing us towards rediscovery and deeper self-understanding. Facing the less visible parts of ourselves is daunting but necessary. Our shadows hold the key to transformation. Through acknowledging vulnerabilities, we unlock the door to growth. It's about accepting that darkness is a natural part of the spiritual journey, leading to eventual enlightenment. To find clarity, it's vital to resist the urge to escape these emotions. Instead, sit with them, investigate their roots, and practice self-reflection. Meditation and journaling can facilitate this process, offering insights into hidden aspects of ourselves and guiding us toward healing. No journey needs to be traveled alone. Seek out mentors, spiritual guides, or counselors who resonate with your path. They can provide valuable perspective, reassurance, and tools to aid in navigating this tumultuous yet transformative period in your life. In times of intense soul-searching, be gentle with yourself. Practicing self-compassion is crucial. Remind yourself that this period, however challenging, is temporary. Embrace your humanity and imperfections, offering yourself the same kindness you would extend to a dear friend. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful allies. They ground us in the present moment, allowing us to release the grip of overwhelming emotions. By observing thoughts and feelings without judgment, we begin to see them as transient, thereby reducing their power and influence over our lives. Emerging from the dark night is akin to a rebirth. The process strips away outdated beliefs, fostering a renewed sense of purpose and clarity. This transformation leads to a heightened state of awareness, where we align more closely with our authentic selves and life's true intentions. As we integrate lessons learned from this dark period, our lives become more enriched and meaningful. We carry newfound resilience, empathy, and understanding, which permeate into our daily existence, enhancing our relationships and overall well-being. Are you amidst a spiritual crisis? Remember, every storm eventually passes. Embrace this journey with courage and openness. Share your experiences, seek help, and allow the dark night to guide you to a brighter, more intentional future. Your soul's evolution begins today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel, hitting the like button, and sharing it with your friends. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content.